This is an emergency broadcast from Sky TV. Please listen carefully. The following instructions may be vital to your safety. This is an emergency broadcast from Sky TV. Please take the following instructions into account and use them for your safety. At 3:48 p.m. GMT, a mysterious creature was spotted lurking around in various forests across the UK. It is unknown what species this is, but this creature has been seen to kidnap people that walk past it. In order to protect yourself from this creature, we give you these simple instructions that you must follow so that you can protect your life, property, and other people. If you are indoors, please remain indoors and do not go outside under any circumstances. Arm yourself with whatever you can and lock all doors and windows. If you are outdoors, seek immediate shelter in a nearby building and follow the previous instructions. Additionally, stay as silent as possible so as not to alert the creature to your location. This is truly a disastrous night for the UK, and we understand that this situation may be extremely challenging for our viewers, but we also believe that we should stand together as a country in face of these tumultuous times. We have no more information to bring you, but in order to keep you as informed as possible, this emergency broadcast will remain active so we can bring you new information as soon as we get it. Please stand by. This is an emergency broadcast from Sky TV. We have an update on the situation in the UK with the creature. The creature has been spotted leaving the forests and is now roaming around London in search of any human they can find. We can also officially reveal the appearance of the creature. The creature is large in size, being about 8 feet tall. It has a rounded body and long black fur, whilst having large white claws. Now that this creature's identity has been revealed, you can identify it more easily. This will aid you in your protection against the creature. Once again, our instructions remain the same. Arm yourself with whatever you can and lock all doors and windows. Remain silent. And now, we advise you to close all blinds so the creature doesn't spot you. We will tell you when the creature passes. Once again, we will remain on the air to bring you further updates. Please stand by. This is an emergency broadcast from Sky TV. We have an update on the situation in the UK with the creature. We are proud to say that the creature has been hunted down and killed. No other creatures have been spotted, so it is now safe to go outside. However, please be on the lookout for any further spottings and stay tuned to Sky TV for the latest. Death, injured and missing counts will be revealed at a later date. We thank you for your attention and cooperation during this critical time. If you are worried about a loved one, please contact them in any way. That is the end of this emergency broadcast. We will now cross over to Sky News.